Hey guys, welcome back to Magic Rachel Macmillan. Today I'm going to be doing what is in my backpack. So, sorry I haven't been posting videos. I'm just been really busy because sometimes I'm lazy because I don't want to do one, or I'm in school right now. So yeah, I'm going to middle school, 6th grade, and my teacher is Miss Meeks. And yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, messed up. Oopsies. So I have this, lip gloss, a little squishy, and these two keychains. And yeah, that's what's in there. In here I have my glasses. I got glasses. And sorry, I'm coughing. Got a lead pencil and an eraser. Next up is white shirt. This for my glasses is supposed to be on the earbuds. I don't know why I need earbuds. I know later. And this medium bag is my squishy. And another one. Smells so good. And all my lip gloss. And this purse is so scented. Like, seriously. And that's all. Now for the big pocket. This, I have sharpener, tape, scissors, one pencil, one pen, 4 highlighters, and a lot of markers. This eraser lid, glue. That's all that's in there. Yeah. Two books. Puppy Princess Party Time and Rainbow Magic Special Edition. You need to read that book like this. Comprehension. I got a lot of these. I need some class. Got 1, 2, 3. I got 3 of these. I got 1 Aspire notebook for social studies. 2 folders. Math book already. Right. My behavior card, which I didn't get the marks this week. And my binder. So if you're wondering what school I go to, look at this. And I got B cluster. My homeroom is Beaks, and my 2 connections are keyboard, PE. My first is Dobbin, and then my second cluster is Morris, third Meeks, and then the last is Miss Norman. Let me put that back in here. And I have paper, all kinds of stuff. I have a ruler. My homework that I did a while ago. That's all. And yeah. The shout out goes to LPS. Wait, no. Wait, yeah. And you can go follow me on Instagram, Macmillan97 something. I put it in my bio. Okay. And yeah. Oh, to my musically is unicorn something. I'm just gonna hear this before it melts. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh, I'll tell you about. Okay, I'm Rachel. I have pets. I have 2 dogs, 1 cat, 1 fish, and have 1 brother. He's in 8th grade. My friends are Michaela, Emily, Zoe, and Ella. And comment below if you think what to do 24 hours in my room. Or you think do 24 hours in a blanket fort. Comment below. Like, I like school, but not all the time. Like, today was a good day, but tomorrow's gonna be better than today. Okay. One of my connections, she said that tomorrow's gonna be game day. I don't play Animal Jam. Yo. Bye.